The space where you work can influence the difficulty of a project. A simple task can take several hours if you're confined to a tight spot where basic hand tools can't correctly maneuver. There are many products available to choose ratcheting wrench sets, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best ratcheting wrench sets from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Gearwrench 20-piece ratcheting wrench set. It's probably not a surprise to see a Gearwrench product take the top spot on our list. This brand is known for building respectable tools at a competitive price point and backing them up with a great warranty. That said, you'll get plenty of use out of this set of ratcheting wrenches. This 20-piece set includes SAE and metric sizes. The 10 SAE sizes range from 1/4 inch to 3/4 inch, and the 10 metric range from 6 mm to 18 mm. Each wrench utilizes a 72-tooth ratcheting mechanism with a 5-degree swing arc. That makes this set shine in tight spaces, and the spanner end allows you to use it exactly as you would most combination wrenches. What we like about it: good range of sizes, short swing arc, great warranty. What we don't like about it: poor packaging design, concerning quality control issues. Number 2. Toolguard's 26-piece ratcheting wrench set. We are closing out our list with an entry that has a lot to offer to the buyer. Right out of the gate, we should mention that the price is pretty great when you consider all that it has to offer. It is a 26-piece set that includes a range of metric and SAE sizes. SAE sizes range from 1/4 inch to 3/4 inch and metric from 6 mm to 18 mm. The ratcheting mechanism in these wrenches feature 72 teeth, creating a 5-degree swing arc. The chrome vanadium construction of the wrenches helps make for a virtually unbreakable body and fantastic performance of the spanner end and a slim profile. To top things off, this set comes complete with a tool roll for organized storage. What we like about it: great value, range of useful sizes. Tool roll works as an excellent storage solution. What we don't like about it: the ratcheting mechanism is short-lived. Number 3. Orion Motor Tech 6-piece metric extra long gear ratcheting wrench set. No matter how fancy your wrench is, if it can't reach the fastener, then it's useless. This set of wrenches features extra long bars to reach into virtually any space you need to. Each wrench also features a swiveling head to ensure you can get it onto those spaces that make you hate engineers. With that said, this 6-piece set offers a total of 12 different metric sizes. The sizes range from 6 mm to 19 mm. The package the set comes in is something to appreciate as well. Even though it's pretty simple, it is still intended to aid in storing the wrenches in an organized manner. The flaw of these wrenches is the integrity of the joint on the wrench head. It's not as rigid as it should be. When faced with the extra torque of the extra long bars, they tend to fail. What we like about it: range of useful sizes, long reach, great and tight spaces. What we don't like about it: swiveling head breaks easily. Number 4. Gearwrench 16-piece ratcheting flex combination wrench set. The Gearwrench ratcheting set is another no-brainer. This 16-piece set includes a range of metric sizes spanning from 8 mm to 25 mm. Each features a ratcheting end along with a spanner wrench on the opposing side. They also feature a high tooth count, which makes for smooth operation and a short swing arc. They have fixed directions, but the directional indicator helps you quickly identify if you turn faster clockwise or counterclockwise. What's important to note is that these wrenches also feature swiveling heads that help you reach tight spots. The package is also worthy of attention as it doubles as a storage solution. And if you don't need the metric sizes, an SAE variant is readily available. That swiveling heads offer a significant advantage when working on hard-to-reach fasteners on your vehicle. But they're not perfect. A considerable portion of users report them as being too loose or becoming too loose rather quickly. What we like about it: wide range of sizes, swiveling head, useful packaging. What we don't like about it: the swiveling head may wear quickly. Number 5. Jaeger Tools 18-piece metric tight spot ratcheting wrenches master set. In today's day and age, most folks are going to work with metric size. Therefore, they don't need a kit that mixes in SAE sizes. If you'd prefer a more extensive set of metric sizes only, this is the set for you. This set includes a total of 18 wrenches and includes sizes ranging from 6 mm to 24 mm. The wrenches in this set all feature a 72-tooth mechanism that makes a significant difference in tight spaces. These do only operate in one direction, but the stamped directional indicator on the head of each makes it easy to identify the orientation you're working with. As a bonus, this set includes a grate to roll with labeled pouches for organization. What we like about it: a useful range of sizes. Short swing arc. The tool roll is an excellent storage solution. What we don't like about it: mechanisms come apart easily. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.